is a network of cellulose fibers formed from intertwining them in grass, wood, rags or waste paper. See, it is the network of cellulose fibers formed from intertwining them in grass, wood, rags or waste paper. It's called paper. Manufacturing of paper, it is the complicated process and it takes some steps. Which are those steps? Peeling of logs of wood from trees, from the coniferous trees of pines. These logs of wood are taken and then they are peeled. Peeling of logs is done, that means debarking of logs. Debarking. De means removal and these peels are removed from these logs. Then adding dyes. Dye means colored substance, which it depends on the color of requirement of the color of the paper, and as per the requirement the dye is added to it. Then pulp is formed. Then by adding the dye, some water, there is formation of pulp, and then pressing it with rollers is the next step. The rollers are taken and with the help of these rollers they are pressed and binding paper on reels is done. The reels are there and on that this paper is wind and winding is done. In India, first factory of newsprint is established in 1955 in Madhya Pradesh at Nepanagar, and in Maharashtra also paper production takes place at Ballarpur, and where is it? Ballarpur is near Chandrapur. In Gujarat at Songadh paper production takes place, and trees, just now we have seen that trees are which trees are used? The coniferous trees like pines, they are used for paper production. See, which are the steps in paper production? Peeling of logs of wood which are taken from trees. See, from trees wood is taken and these logs of wood, they are debarked. Debarking means removal of the peels of those barks or stems of logs. Then dyes are added, colored substance are added to this, and then pulp is done. Pulp is made. Making pulp is the next process. Pressing it with rollers and binding paper on reels. In this way, paper production takes place. Thank you.